tinanggal ko
From
ang hair ko
airport to
today.
here.
Anyway, I hope you heard me earlier when I was screaming.
Oh, ang bongga mo nga eh.
Tatanungin kita ngayon, pero Tagalog na lang tayo.
Ay, Tagalog.
Okay,
Ba?
di ba?
Secret
Turn
ba
ka
to?
muna daw, turn ka muna.
Bawal ba itong malaman ng iba?
Uy, oh, ayan na. Okay, winner na
May
Okay.
naglilis na ng noisy there.
Ay, ganun ba? Okay, eto na. Okay, ano daw yung ang galing-galing mo daw mag-host, kaloka ka. Continuous na ba yan?
Oo, gaganda na tong career. May
Ay,
akong
taray.
buhay.
O, di ba? Ayan, sino yung designers ng gown mo? Yung first one at saka ito?
Ito, Vladimir Echeverry.
Oh,
The other one I have to confirm. I am not quite sure, so mahirap na magbanggit ng maling pangalan.
Yeah, that's okay. That's respect. I love that.
Yeah.
Oh
How
my
collaborative
God.
are you with the gowns that you have been wearing from now until November? Talaga may input ka ba dito?
Oo, pretty much recently, I have inputs now on what I want to wear. Of course, my styling team is doing their hard work talaga in picking, on collating all the outfits I can wear. And then from then on, they make me wear it, they have their votes, the organization have their votes, and then at the end of the day, they input, they consider what I feel when I wear the gown. So I really appreciate that.
Ngayon ba at this point ba may naka-ready na yung finals gown mo in terms of
Oh my
design?
God, secret!
Pero yung evening gown mo, Atisa, is that, do you have like collaboration with that? Because we know you're
course.
very creative, so, we know that. And then you like collaborating with, some of the
course.
designers. Do you have any collaboration with that from your costume competition and evening gown?
Yes, kasi
Wow.
the thing I appreciate about everyone around me right now, the team, the organization, they understand that when I compete, as much as it's a team effort, when I'm on stage, ako na yung nandun eh. So they want me to feel my best. So alam nila na kung anong komportable ka, kung anong feeling mo pinakamaganda ka, yun yung
dito si Miss
isusuot mo.
Universe,
And I
ano?
appreciate that.
Wow, that's so nice. May mga tanong sila, yung nag-live ako after ka namin makita sa airport. Sino daw yung nag-makeup sa'yo yung nasa airport ka?
Airport, Antea Bueno.
Oh, oo. Ganda.
Like,
Ba, ito ang flawless mo, Pakita mo nga yung arms mo sa kanila. Sinasabi nila laki daw ng arms mo. Ngayon, pakita mo.
ay grabe
Pinagtatanggol
naman sila.
kita dyan, sa
Alam mo,
Pakita mo yung arms mo.
visit
Diba?
na lang po kayo in person.
Correct! Correct! Yan ang sinasabi ko sa kanila at kitain niyo sa personal. Naku, Diyos ko, Lord.
When we interviewed Tito Val sa Cuba, he mentioned na during his Universe Philippines, he asked you to parang
Ganda.
film